Hello BT people, today we are gonna install Phlox free theme and import demo data. So let's get started. Over on appearance, click on themes. Now click on add new button and here search for Phlox, and this is the Phlox theme and install. Now it's installing. So Phlox is a multi-purpose WordPress theme and there has been a two versions, free and paid. Now we are gonna install free version. Activate. So this theme requires two plugins. To install these two plugins. These plugins are core plugin for this Phlox theme. Okay, we have successfully installed Phlox theme, and now here you can see navigation panel, dashboard, customization, demo importer, template kit, plugins, tutorials, system status. Before importing demo data, we have to check our system status. Click on system status and now click on info. Now click on server tab and here we can see our server status, PHP max input bar, PHP version, memory limit, time limit, all are okay. Now go to our Phlox dashboard, click on demo importer. Okay, so these are free template and these are paid template, and you can also navigate here. If you want to make a e-commerce site, then you can import this demo. There you can see business template, service template. Okay, now I'm gonna install this template, this architect template. Click on input button. Okay, continue. So this demo requires some plugins. So before input demo data, this plugin need to install. So click on install plugin. Now plugins are installing. Okay, plugin installed success. Okay, now click on skip button. Now we are gonna import complete free build website. So import content. Now this will take 5 to 10 minutes to import demo data. So now the demo data are importing, downloading media. Now importing content. Congratulations, we have successfully imported our demo data. Now click on preview button. Yes, we have successfully imported our demo data and all demo data are perfectly working and imported. Okay, now if you wanna change this image, you can change it by using Elementor Page Builder. Click on this button and you will get to access to change this image. Also, you can change everything. You can also modify header and footer. So I hope this tutorial will help you to input demo data. If you will getting any issue by importing demo data, then contact with me. I will definitely try to help you. If you like my video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.